One of the biggest mistakes that we see with home design is how people design their outdoor entertaining area, because a lot of the time it compromises the light quality inside your home. So even if you build this perfectly great new home with plenty of ceiling height and plenty of glazing, what tends to happen is people will construct this pergola type structure, or they'll extend the roof over, but either way it's the same result. They'll put a solid sheet over the top, roofing sheet, so to provide that cover from the weather. So even if your house is orientated perfectly to the sun, what ends up happening is the sun hits the top of the roof, bounces straight off, everything underneath is just covered in shade all year round. So what that results in, it's a dark interior, and that's the last thing you want for your living space. You need sunlight deep inside your home all year round, because we know that sunlight is critical for your biology and your overall health. It sets your body's master clock, your circadian rhythm, which regulates your hormones, helps with your sleep, helps with mood, energy levels, and cellular function. So if there's one thing you want inside your home all year round, it's the sun. And it's the number one ingredient to a good, healthy home. So instead of building that solid piece over the top of that pergola structure, keep it simple, keep it open. So it's a column and beam type structure. And then instead, you can add some battens if you like to create that dappled light, or if you want to integrate some vines that climb over it during the summertime, fantastic. But it's an open structure. So then you will say, okay, that solves that problem of getting the sunlight deep inside your living space. But then what about when it's either raining or if it's really hot? So the best way to deal with that is to incorporate a retractable roofing system over the top. So one that bring out when you want to, and then you can retract it back when you want that sunlight deep inside your home. That can be either an awning type structure, or it can be a louvered system. Either way, it's on top of the pergola structure. So it allows that versatility for when you actually want it most. And that's a really quick way to allow sunlight deep inside your home all year round, while still getting that climate control when you want it.